Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Shopify Flow for marketing automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Shopify Flow for marketing automation, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Shopify Flow. Select the Shopify Flow app click the Add App button to start the installation process. You will be redirected to your Shopify admin page. Here, click on Install App to grant necessary permissions. Review the permissions that Shopify Flow requires. If you agree, confirm by clicking on the Install button. Once installed, go back to your Shopify admin. Locate that Apps section in the left sidebar. Click on Shopify Flow to open the app. You may need to complete an initial setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Flow account. Now, you can begin creating automation workflows. Select Create Workflow to start your first automation. Choose a trigger for your workflow, such as a new order or customer. Next, define the conditions for your workflow. Add actions that should occur when the conditions are met. Preview your workflow to ensure everything works as intended. Save your workflow to make it active. You can return to edit or monitor your workflows anytime. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Shopify Flow for marketing automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.